Hi guys, welcome. This is Isa from PrintStick, and in this video I will give you a full overview of the new Dates sticker book, which includes over 3,500 stickers. So like all of our other sticker books, it comes as a notebook format or a linked document. So this is the cover page, and if you tap on this area, it's going to open the book. This is a blank section where you can add, for example, your favorite stickers for quick access. And then you have some tabs here at the top. These are actually links that will take you to the different sections of the sticker book. And to see what each section is, you can tap on the middle spiral from any page, and you will come to this index where you will see the labels for each of the sections. So I'm gonna quickly show you what each section contains. This sticker book comes with more than 3,500 stickers. So it's a ton of stickers and options for you to choose from. Okay, so I'm gonna jump right in. So my first section is the months in all black, but in different fonts. So you have a ton of different font options, and they all go from January to December in black. Then you go to your second section, and it's the exact same, except that these come in white in case that you're using a blackout planner or any color paper that is not white. Then you can use these stickers on top, or even create your own stickers with some labels and backgrounds that I'm going to show you in a little bit that are also included in this notebook. We move on to the third section, which is months, but this time it comes with colors, and you get 2 pages of these. Different styles, different colors. Then we go to our fourth section, the numbers. So again, you first have them all black, right? You have 2 pages of numbers all black, and I just want to mention these are all individual stickers, so that means that each little number is a single sticker that's separate from the rest. If you are using this to data planner, and I will make another video showing exactly how I do that, but what I recommend is that you copy the whole set together. So you copy it, then you go to your planner page, you paste it, then you resize all of them at the same time, and then you start arranging the stickers where they go. You do this so that they all remain the same size and look uniform. Okay, so our following section is the same thing, all these dates or numbers. So they all go from number 1 to number 31, and then you have a little number sign, and that's all sets in different fonts, have the same format, and this time you have them in white. Our next section is the same numbers, but now you get colors. So this, although they look dark, they're actually like different shades of gray. So that's color 1, and then you have them in other colors like blue, you get some greens, purple, pink, red and orange or yellowish, so you kind of have every color to match every spread. I think we're on section 7. You get to your days of the week, so Monday through Sunday. Again, in different fonts. First you have them black. You have 2 pages of the words all black. And the following section, section 8, will take you to your weekdays in all white. You have 2 pages of these. And section number 9 will take us to same days of the week, but in different colors, again to match the spreads and seasons in your planner. You get 4 pages total with the weekdays in different colors. And then we go to section number 10. So here you have more numbers, but this time they come with a colored background. And as you can see, the numbers are white here and the background is colored. So that's what I meant before, and I'm gonna show you again in a little bit how you can make these yourself. So you get 2 pages of colored dots. Then we go to our section. Okay, so this is section 10, first page, and section 11 is actually the second page of dot numbers. This is the little labels or backgrounds that I mentioned earlier, where you can bring a number, a date, or a word and place it on top of one of these and create your own stickers. You have all these shapes, so these I would use for numbers because they're short. And you also have the like wider labels in different, you know, shapes and colors so that you can add the words here. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do it, and remember to see a preview of all of the pages included in this file or in this sticker book. You can click on this top left corner on the 4 squares, and then you'll see like a miniature of all of the pages included in the book. So I'm going to find my white words. Let's say I'm doing days of the week. So I'm going to bring my toolbar here so I can select my lasso tool, and with it I'm just gonna do one for now just to show you, but let's say that I like this font, so I'm gonna copy the word Monday, and then I'm going to go to my labels here, and then I'm gonna choose a color that I want. Let's say this one, paste, and I can grow it a little bit to fit better. And there I go. I have a brand new label or sticker that I can now just place on my planner. And in this way, you literally have any possibility regarding style and colors, because you can create your very own stickers. And of course, you can use the black on the color background as well. So I'm gonna show you with a date. Let's say I'm going to do these dates. Again, I'm just doing a single one to show you quickly. And I go pick a color. Let's say I like this purple shape, so I can just place it here, and then I'm ready to copy this and paste it on any planner. Let's say I'm doing like a Bujo style kind of planning, and now I have a way of adding my own dates. Now, as I said, keep an eye out for my following video where I will show you how you can date an undated digital planner using this book, so make sure to check that out. And as a thank you for staying till the end of my video, I'm actually going to give you a coupon for 30% off this particular sticker book. So just enter the code that you see on the screen right now at checkout. I'm actually going to leave a link for this book below as well, so just tap on that link, add this item to cart, and then enter the code at checkout and you get 30% off. So that's everything that's included in the book. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, drop me a comment and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on that bell so you don't miss out on any future notifications. See you in my next video. Bye bye.